Hello, my name is Ana Jimeno from the Universidad Politécnica de Valencia. Welcome to our Spanish language MOOC for beginners. I'm going to talk about a number of survival expressions in Spanish to give you a flavour of what the language is like. We're going to start with these two. The first one, if we want to greet somebody, what would we say? We'd say, hola, hello, hola. And if we want to say goodbye, we'd say, adiós, adiós. If we want to say please, the expression that we have to use is por favor. Por favor. 2 words. Por favor. Imagine that you would like to say thank you or thanks. We'd say gracias. And if somebody says thank you to you, we would say de nada. De nada. You're welcome. Gracias. De nada. Oh dear. And if we want to say that we're sorry for something, we'd say lo siento. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Now imagine that you would like to say that you don't understand something. Somebody speaks to you in Spanish and you would like to say that you don't understand them. You could say, no entiendo. No entiendo. Okay? These are very easy expressions to learn and to repeat. Okay? So repeat with me. Lo siento. No entiendo. Okay. Now, another way of asking somebody to repeat something, to say it more slowly because you don't understand them, we could say, ¿puede repetir más despacio? Could you repeat that more slowly? ¿Puede repetir más despacio? Okay, practice that expression too. And imagine now that you would like to know what something is. Imagine you're in a restaurant or in a bar and you would like to know what a particular item is because you're going to order something. We'd say, ¿qué es esto? And we'd point to the item. ¿Qué es esto? What's this? Okay, and then they would reply. Now, imagine that you would like to know where a particular place is. Where a restaurant is, a bar, we would say, ¿Dónde está? And then fill in that gap with the name of the place that we're asking for. ¿Dónde está el restaurante? ¿Dónde está el banco? Where's the restaurant? Where's the bank? Okay? ¿Dónde está? Let's see. And imagine that you're hungry. Imagine that you would like something to eat and tell somebody that you would like something to eat. We would say, quisiera comer algo. Quisiera comer algo. I'd like something to eat. And after asking what that is, after ordering something to eat and to drink, of course then we have to pay. And we would say, ¿Cuánto es? ¿Cuánto es? How much is it? And then we would pay. Okay? So I hope you've enjoyed this presentation and that you practice these very short but useful expressions. Okay, bye-bye. Adiós.